Greetings. The future of intelligence. This is a 4-part workshop that I've been teaching for a few months now. We're up to part 3. So in part 1, we looked at the differences between artificial intelligence and human intelligence and the future impact of technology. In part 2, we looked at how this is going to impact economics and education and so many fields that we're engaged in. This is part 3, and this is about what we might do with our time in the future. Kaifu Li is a Chinese genius in the field of artificial intelligence and technology, and he just published a popular book, very popular, just in collaboration with a science fiction writer, and it's looking at the world in 20 years' time. It's called AI 2041. And Kaifu Li, here's a quote from one of the interviews with him. Kaifu Li referred to the secret source of humans in the AI era as warm skills. It's a fundamental insight that calls out for more clarity about which proficiencies are inherently human and can never be replaced by technology. These include empathy, compassion, collaboration, a growth mindset, agility, trust building, and creativity, amongst others. This is what some refer to as 21st century skills. So in this 3rd workshop, we'll be looking at, a likely, possible, hopeful future where we'll all be provided for because machines will be doing most of the work, and we'll really only need to work maybe 10 hours a week. And this could be the situation in 20 years' time. What do we do with those other 30 or 40 or more hours? Do we become kind of decadent and just watch a bunch of really engaging, immersive, virtual world entertainment programs all day and eat junk food? Or do we embrace our humanity fully and continue to evolve and develop our potential and create and become better human beings? And how do we prepare ourselves for that? That's the subject of our conversation this Sunday. I look forward to seeing you there.